Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Azure Petals in Hytale. Now to get Azure Petals in Hytale, I want you to first press M on your keyboard to open up the map, and then from here I want you to make your way to the north. Now here in the north you'll actually find the snow or ice biome, and here you'll find water bodies. Now near these water bodies are actually a lot of caves. Now if you go ahead and make your way inside these caves, for example I am doing right now, there's usually water bodies in these caves, and you will actually find azure mushrooms growing in these water bodies. Usually they glow, so they're pretty easy to spot. So we'll go ahead and find one right here. I think that is one right there. And what you will need actually is a hatchet, because you cannot just pick up a azure mushroom the normal way. You need to go ahead and get the petals. Now to get the petal, you need to actually hit on it with a hatchet. So there is one right there. I think I found one. So make sure you equip a hatchet for yourself. If you don't have a hatchet, you can go ahead and craft one just by pressing tab on your keyboard. Here you go. We have found 2 azure mushrooms. I'll just go ahead and grab this one right here with this hatchet. So press 8 or wherever your hatchet is, just equip that. And then I'll come here and just left click on it. And as you can see, it actually drops Azure Petals. There you go. And that is how to get Azure Petals in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.